Like a little dragonfly just said hello. That's pretty cool. I love these things. They're beautiful creatures. Supposedly that's someone I love that's passed on coming by to say hello, so you can welcome to stay there if you'd like. I guess they're comfortable with me. He's just hanging out, man. What's up, dude? That is cool. I've never had one stay that long and through all this stuff. I mean, I'm obviously moving all around and he's not budging. Oh, there he goes.